So general marketing అనేది వెంటనే ఈ ప్రజెంట్ ఈ డిజిటల్ ప్రపంచంలో మనకు గుర్తించినటువంటి విషయాలు రెండు విషయాలు. ఒకటి సోషల్ మీడియా మార్కెటింగ్, రెండు డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్, డిజిటల్ మీడియా మార్కెటింగ్. There are mainly two types of marketing in upcoming contemporary markets issues, emerging trends. Based on that, only 2 points. One thing digital marketing and second thing social media marketing. These are all two online marketing. Rendu ఏంటి మనకి ఆన్లైన్ మార్కెటింగ్. Online marketing. Actually, మనకి 3 points వచ్చింది. సోషల్ మీడియా మార్కెటింగ్, డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ అండ్ ఆన్లైన్ మార్కెటింగ్. సో అంటే ఇక్కడ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ దట్ ఓన్లీ 3 ఇంపార్టెంట్ మార్కెటింగ్. అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ బుకిష్ నాలెడ్జ్ అండి, అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ బుకిష్ నాలెడ్జ్, జస్ట్ ఓన్లీ 3 ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్. ఫస్ట్ ఈజ్ సోషల్ మీడియా మార్కెటింగ్, సెకండ్ ఈజ్ డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్, థర్డ్ ఈజ్ ఆన్లైన్. These are the what we call skills of a marketer. The skills of the marketer. Who is the marketer as a beginner level or intermediate level or advanced level? Whatever the level is, doesn't matter. Then how we take challenges from the market, then according to what are the opportunities, what are the needs and demands and wants from social media, from digital marketing, from physical marketing, online and some physical marketing. Physical marketing is direct marketing. No. The direct marketing. Direct marketing means, what is the direct marketing? The first one, the social media means, what is the social media? Tell me, what is the example of social media? YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, digital mass communication. Usage of internet connection. These are the two important. What are the strategies? What are the strategies of digital marketing? What are the strategies of digital marketing? What are the strategies of social media marketing? What type of strategies for online marketing? These are very important. The points are important. Social media marketing ఎలా tackle చేయాలి, ఆన్లైన్ మార్కెటింగ్ ఎలా హ్యాండిల్ చేయాలి, డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ని ఎలా మనం లీడ్ చేయాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎలా మన కంపెనీకి డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్కి ఇంటర్న్షిప్ పిలవాలి. మనకి ఎవరు కావాలి? డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు కావాలి. ఇన్ కేస్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ డిజిటల్ మార్కెట్, దెన్ యూ కాల్ ఇట్ యాస్ ఇంటర్న్. Then those type of interested candidates from the digital marketing, they can help you our organization. Yes, that is what we call digital marketing. Digital marketing intern. We require digital marketing interns. Marketing interns. And again, we also need social media interns. Social media interns. The two important aspects for media and any marketing development. Right? Any company, they can develop by supporting the two on digital marketing and the social media marketing. So what do you want? We want human resources. No, no. We want marketing human resources. Marketing human resources. One man cannot do properly. That's why we need some support from the human capital. Say example, who are the target interns? No, no. Who are the target interns? Target interns. Say example, tell me who are the target interns for any company, for business development. Target people. Say example, you want to say example from minimum graduation, no, no. Minimum graduates. Say example, BSc graduates, not BA graduates. Okay. Not BA graduates, BSc graduates. BA means they are arts and science and social and economics, they know everything well. They are the complete arts. But BSc science is required. Right now the science is they know everything about the some basic computers. IT guys, also IT. IT guys. MCA, no problem. Target interns means they are the target interns. BSc, MSc, BCA, BCA, BTech. These are all what we call target interns for social media and the MBA also. MBA and BBA. We are looking for those type of ideal candidates for internship from Buddha TV broadcast. That is the requirement for urgently. Right or not? In case if you have, we get 20 per persons, we allocated different types of areas. One person for Facebook intern, another person for social Instagram intern, another person for YouTube internship, another person for LinkedIn internship, another person with different types of Spotify, something different types of things. But what is the target audience? So what is the target market? What is the business expansion, business development? Who are the for what? Why need marketing? For brand development. This is the business development as well as brand development. There is no doubt. Marketing for brand development, marketing for brand development and brand development and business development. This is the first priority for company. The first priority is how to develop the business, how to develop the brand. Only these are the two important aspects until you will get uh, audiences. Once we can develop the business, then automatically brand will be grown. Once you develop the brand, then brand business development also both are simultaneous. That is what we call that can be helpful only by using social media marketing and digital marketing and also physical marketing, direct marketing. Direct marketing means face-to-face marketing manager. Deal with the direct clients. Direct market means B2B. No problem. Direct marketing is nothing but B2B, business to business. Offline and online, both B2B, interaction with the offline and online. Online means ఫస్ట్ మనం కరస్పాండెన్స్ చేస్తాం ఒక మెయిల్ పెడతాం ఒక కంపెనీకి ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీరు డేటా కలెక్ట్ చేశారు కదా ఆ డేటా ఏంటి B2B డేటా అవునా అంటే ఒక కంపెనీ డేటా డైరెక్ట్ ఫస్ట్ మెయిల్ పెట్టి తన దగ్గర అపాయింట్మెంట్ తీసుకుని డైరెక్ట్ మీరు వెళ్ళి కనుక నెగోషియేట్ చేస్తారు దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ B2B మార్కెట్ దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ వి కాల్ సింపుల్ థింగ్స్ నోట్ డౌన్ రూల్ ఆఫ్ సోషల్ మీడియా సైడ్ పెట్టుకోండి ఏమేమి రూల్స్ అంటే సోషల్ మీడియాలో అసలు ఏమేమి రూల్స్ ఉంది రేపు మీరు ఇంటర్న్షిప్ లో వచ్చినప్పుడు మీకు క్లయింట్ చేయాలన్నా మీకు ఆ పాయింట్ ఉండాలి రోల్ ఆఫ్ సోషల్ మీడియా ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ ఇంటరాక్షన్ విత్ interaction with the target market. This is the first point. Okay. Social media actually already available, existing in the market. Social media is available, but you don't have any target. There is no use of social media. My target is Vijayawada. Then Vijayawada is the my marketplace. Then by using social media, what is the target place? Vijayawada. There is no target place. There is no use of social media. Is it clear? That is what we call more an example. Target market is Vijayawada. Example target example Vijayawada. That is called first point is you interact with the Vijayawada. Your interaction with the Vijayawada, except all the districts. That is the target. Only think about Vijayawada. We want interns from Vijayawada. From digital and social. Both we will need intern. Is it clear? So we are looking for the intern. Next we will go for wanted internship for social media and the next target we will make it soon. Okay? Because of as soon as possible we want. Because this is the complete marketing wing. Okay? The next one, improve response. Second role is improve responsiveness. Responsiveness. What is the responsiveness? Being fast in impact. బాధ్యత. Responsiveness. So, responsiveness is nothing but the receiving feedback. Once you target on Vijayawada, today you will go to meet with one company or one person. Then after that you will get receiving feedback immediately. It may be good or bad. It may whether it is yes or no. That is the responsiveness. That is the second point is target on interaction with the market based on the improved responses. Improved responses. Responsibility. Your target is responsiveness. Your target is improving on the target market for responsiveness. That is called the excellent role of marketer for improved responses. Once you go to the market, what is your expectation? Improved responsiveness. That is the market of the world. That is the market of the nation. That is the excellence. That is the effectiveness and efficiency by the responsiveness of the market. These are very, very important. Okay. The next one, competition. The third one is competition. What is the competition? Tell me, what is the competition? You tell me.
కాంపిటీషన్ అనేది పోటీ. అంటే ఇప్పుడు హైగా ఎవరు ఉన్నారు, ఏం చేస్తున్నారు అనేది వాళ్ళని చూసి, సో వాళ్ళని దాటి మనం అడగాలనేది ఏంటనేది మనం ఆలోచించి దాని తగ్గ ప్లాన్ ఆ స్ట్రాటజీ మనం ఫాలో అవ్వాలి.
Fight between two same entities. Okay. Then, what is the competition means? Say example competition. The competition between Airtel and Jio. What is the differentiation? The price differentiation. The price is the main marketing strategy about the Jio. Because of he given 1 rupee. Sometimes he given one paisa.
Sometimes he give free also.
Free also. That depends on the sound of the price. economic so well. That's why the item is also good, but they fall down. If they is not doing that, the price competition. What price? Price competition strategies and also promotion strategies also. We will give the more promotions, audience are coming. We will give the more offers, audience are coming. Customers are coming. We will give the more huge competition. We are the pressure. But once we will give the promotions more, offers more, benefits more, customers will turn back to new company. They are the very loyal customers, but ever and ever the constant of their mind. Easily changeable based on the price. So that is the price is one of the marketing strategy. Then based on the pricing strategy on social media and digital marketing media. Say example, we can offer the training and development for 10,000 rupees for 3 months. Everyone is coming. We cannot offer 10,000. No, we can offer 1,50,000. No one cannot come to training and development. That is the price psychology. Is it clear? That is called competition. Competition is nothing but the balance of the up and downs. The strategy. Are you competitor? Yeah. So who are the competitor? Who will give the same creative and information? Bill Gates is the say example. We will give the example. Bill Gates. There is no competitor in this world for his product. What is his product? Microsoft. There is no alternative product. Colgate, other alternative product is available. Samsung, other person mobile as also. These are all competitive because of the product is same. That's why competition is more. The product is differentiation. There is no competition. That's why Buddha TV also is going to the service is different. That's why there is no competition. Is it clear? That is called the competitive market. That's why we never and ever fear about the competition. Is it clear? That is called competition. Competition is the next one. And this is one of the role of social media. Social media is the next one. Effective marketing. Next, effective marketing. What is the effective and efficient? What is the difference? Effectively and efficiently. Effectively. Impact. Yes. Effectively means what? What is effective? Effective. Effective. Yeah. Hard. Effect is nothing but hard. Example hard and impressive. Rough. Okay, these are all examples. Simple, what we say? Hard. Hard hitting. What? That is called effective. Your target marketing is very hard hitting. Very hardly right. That is called effective marketing. Just to casually say that is not a marketing. That is called, what is your effective marketing? Your effective marketing depends on responsive, the next competition, next price point of the targets. These are the effective. Simply what we say hitting. What we call in front of the experts, B2B experts, you talk like that way. Since I am also one of the head of the company, you are also one of the head of the company. You talking about what is effective marketing, say example. I say. You simply say effective marketing is nothing but hitting, the hard hitting of the marketer. Yes, I am a marketer. I can do work with very hard as a hitter. Say example, Sehwag, Dhoni, why they? Because they are the hard hitters of the cricket. Yeah, these are the hard hitters. There. That's why they success. They will success rate. That is called effective marketing. ఇది క్లియర్ అయిపోతే అంత అర్థమైందా? అఫెక్టివ్ మార్కెటింగ్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ మీకు ఆ పదాలు ఈజీగా అర్థం అవ్వాలి. అప్పుడు మీరు ఓవర్గా కస్టమర్ తెలియదు క్లయింట్ చాలా అఫెక్టివ్గా మాట్లాడాలి. ఓకే. Then point next one, find customers. The find customers. Video presentation. Video. Find customers. What is to find customers? Find customers. Find customers. What about find customers?
ఎవరైతే మనకి ప్రోడక్ట్ తీసుకోవడానికి మన బ్రాండ్ సర్వీస్ తీసుకోవడానికి రెడీగా ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళని
Okay. So how to find the customers?
వాళ్ళు కావాల్సిన వాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళకి సర్వీస్ ఏదైనా కావాలనుకుంటే వాళ్ళు సెర్చ్ చేస్తున్నారు. నేను సోషల్ మీడియాలో నాకు అంటే ఫుడ్ కావాలి స్విగ్గీ
So creating leads yeah, that is the simple. That is the subjective answer. That is the subjective answer. Already I told you. You learned yesterday. You talk those type of subject manner. Generally don't talk. So because of find the customers. So based on that, what are the keywords? Identifying the potential customers who are interested. Identify the potential customers who are interested what you are selling. That is what we call find customers. Who are the potential interested persons? Actually, I am not interested about media. Then how can you sell the product and service to the customer? That is with identifying the potential customers from the selling. What are your products and services? For example, you have the products and services. These are your products and services, right? So what are the products and services? These are all my services. For example, people opinions justice, business and economic social inclusion, right? So that's why these are the very important things. That's why this is our product services. How to find the selling? Or Buddha TV, this is the service provider, right? The service provider, what are the services? Then say example, first you understanding about the services. Then after that you go for finding the first you understanding about the services. Then after that to target customers. Is it clear? That is the mind. Is very important. First you can find the what are the services from Buddha TV. The next one, then who are the target customers? Those customers are relevant to these services. Then that time the potential customers, identifying the potential customers. When we before going to the market and before going to the, is it clear? Find out, okay. The next affordable. Wait. Already I will give you the definition. Effective. What is the effective? Hitting. Very good. Effectively. Efficiently. The next one, efficiency. Efficiently. Effectively and efficiency. Efficiently. What is the efficiently? What is the difference between effective and efficiently?
ఎఫిషియన్స్ అంటే అవుట్పుట్
Efficient. ఎఫెక్టివ్ హార్డ్ గా మనం హిట్ చాలా హార్డ్ గా వర్క్ చేస్తే చాలా ఎఫిషియెంట్ గా వస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద పాయింట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఎఫోర్డబిలిటీ. What is the affordability? Reasonable. Yeah, the affordability. This is one type of things. Affordable. Affordable is nothing but cheap. No problem. is very, very important. Affordable is nothing but the low cost. Yes, our service is always affordability. We are using this type of word from heads, so B2B heads. From what about your services? Yes, my service is interviews. Interviews, how much the cost? No, 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 there is no cost. Our service is affordability. Okay? Our service is affordability. Affordability is nothing but low cost or cheap. But so our service is quality is very high. Low cost and high quality. What? No doubt. Our service is when we will meet with the heads, when we meet with the markets, when whatever we meet, then we have communication. Is it clear? You understand what I'm a businessman. You will become like that way, that type of marketer. You can impress in front of the audience. You can impress the B2B heads. You can impress the top level companies. Way of communication. That's why everyone is impressed with myself. Anyone come to here, they're inspired. Way of my talking. Right or wrong? That is the skill, not knowledge. That is the human skill. That is cognitive skills, technical skills, social skills. Then innovative and creative. That is what we call 5 skill set of the 5 fingers. That is our primary motive, right? This is the one. Say example, in front of you directly. I'm talking about the behavioral skills. Have you been seeing about my behavioral skills? My way of border question and confidence. These are all behavioral skills. My marketing knowledge skills is cognitive skills, knowledge. Then my technical skills like this. This is the technical skills. This is the technical skills. These are 3 important. The fourth one is social skills. Now I am talking about the social media. You want to learn something social media. Then finally, how creative manner. That is the strategy. What is your creativity? That is what we call 5 year clear. That is called our reality. This is our business model. What? This is our business training service. This type of project doesn't and never doesn't give anywhere. Because this is our genuine model, right? No one can copy it. This is my genuine model design. 5 fingers, 5 skills. What? That is the strategy of the market. Strategy of human life and human quality, not market. If you have 5 skills, sir, you can lead any place, any company, anywhere in this world. These are the 5 other strength of your personality. Clear? Affordability. What is the affordability? Market affordability is very high or low? Low. That is the question. Once one MBA student will come, one BBA student will come. First question you ask to him: product cost is affordable or not? Service cost is affordable or not? We were waiting for that answer. They said high. They are not correct. They said no. The less, that is the right knowledgeable candidates. Then just only one question, then we can filter from out of 100. That is the recruitment. That is the question. We'll take some marketing important questions, right? The next one, database. Database. What is the database? What is the data? Information. What is the data? Information. What is the data? Data is nothing but raw facts, figures, symbols. These are all called as data. All we collect from specific place, we call it as data. Data is nothing but data may be picture, data may be symbol, data may be raw facts, data may be alphabets. All we call it as data. Say example, this is what we call, this is the data representation, pictorial representation. What? Pictorial representation. This is called data also. That is called graphical representation. That is also data. Is it clear about data? Whatever it may be, data. This is the data. What we call bomma, picture, అనకూడదు. Chart, art అనకూడదు. This is called data. The data is relevant to Vijayawada. The map of data. What?
The map of data.
Map lo.
Data.
That is the knowledge. That is called
Knowledge.
ఈ మైండ్ తో మార్కెట్ లోకి వెళ్ళి కన్వెర్ట్ చేస్తే దట్ ఈస్ ద మార్కెటర్. ఓకేనా? మార్కెటింగ్ అంటే మామూలు విషయం కాదు. యూ బికమ్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ మార్కెటర్, యూ కన్విన్సింగ్ మార్కెటర్, యు ఆర్ ద ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ మార్కెటర్, యు ఆర్ ద డిజిటల్ మార్కెటర్, యు ఆర్ ద ఫ్యూచర్ మార్కెటర్, యు ఆర్ ద అప్కమింగ్ ఫ్యూచర్ మార్కెటర్, ట్రెండీ మార్కెటర్. దట్ ఈస్ ద వెరీ వాల్యుబుల్ వర్డ్ ఆఫ్ మార్కెటర్. Okay? The next one, base, database. What is the database? Base means is it clear about data? Simply say what? DBA, database administration. What? DBA, no, no. Database administration. DBA, database administration. Why need data for marketer? Why need data for marketer? Why need database for marketer? These are the question. Hold on. Government questions you will ask those type of questions. These are all has to be part of internship, right? This type of training has to be part of internship. This is the reality. You can train them. Training is required. Development is required. Internship is required. After you have completed internship, then you go to market as a beginner level marketer. You know everything. You can lead with the customers. Okay. What is the why need database? Because of data collected from different companies. What? Because of who collected data? Marketer can collect data from different companies. They will meet with the different persons, different personalities like B2B and B2C. No, no. Database on B2B and B2C. B2B and B2C, right? Data collected from B2B and data collected from B2C. That is the complete database. According to database, we will go to marketing strategy. According to database, marketing strategy, then after that directly you go to target markets. Without data, without information, then how? Target audience, target customers. That's why these are the research and development, market research. Actually, the part of marketing research. Is it clear? Next one, social environment. The next one, environment. What is the social environment? This is not a business environment, social environment. But now we are living in this. This is, as example, we are all involved in environment. This is what we call business environment. This is internal environment. But I am talking about the social environment. Social environment is external. External means all the people, all the right now is the generation people, they are living in social media vehicle. Say example, this is my mobile. I am always using Instagram, Twitter and Facebook because of everyone have been seeing in front of the mobile technology, mobile driven world. That's why suddenly it comes, it shown our advertisement in front of the audience. Suddenly they click. what they see, what is this? That is the strategy. Mobile strategy. What?
Mobile strategy.
Mobile. Because of the social environment means still it is one of the marketing strategy. Always we observe on social environment. So so according to demographic strategy, say example 20 years to 25 years target youth, which social media application they are using? Facebook and Instagram. These are the environment. All the people are living in that place. All the people are sleeping on that place. As a market to target on that area, touch with them. That is called marketing. That is called social media environment, right? Social media environment అర్థమైంది క్లారిఫికేషన్. వీటి ఇంకా పటిష్టంగా గట్టిగా మీరు నేర్చుకోండి. ఓకే, ఇవి ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇవి అప్కమింగ్ 5 years కూడా వచ్చేటువంటి భవిష్యత్ తరాల వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఇది చాలా ఈజీగా ఉపయోగపడితే కొన్ని తరాలకు కూడా మనకి ఇది అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇన్ఫార్మేటివ్. INFOR, informative. What is informative? Informative. ఓకే, ఇన్ఫార్మేటివ్ అంటే అడ్వైజరీ చేయడం, అడ్వైజరీ లేకపోతే డెమాన్స్ట్రేట్. ఏంటి ఇన్ఫార్మేటివ్ అంటే దానికి అదర్ సినానిమ్స్ ఏంటంటే డెమాన్స్ట్రేట్, రిప్రజెంట్ చేయడం. ఏంటి? బికాస్ ఆఫ్ జర్నలిజం ఇది ఇన్ఫార్మేటివ్ సిటిజన్. జర్నలిజం ఫర్ informative citizens. That is called journalism. Journalism simple meaning is that informed citizens. And that is the objective of journalism. Marketing is also marketer also informed to the clients, informed to the B2B. That is very simple meaning of the knowledge. This is the knowledge that can be helped to all. There is no knowledge, then how can you prove yourself actually, like your life? That's why I am telling. I am already I am now number of times talking about the knowledge. Knowledge is very. Without knowledge, what is the use to our the organization and also public, as well as corporate? You have must knowledge again. Then you lead with the governments and publics and service and company. Company also the outside corporate also. Clear? That is the point. That is called informed. Okay, na? Informed. Next one, online presence. Online presence. We will now presentations ఇవ్వాలి. Okay? Important points మీద presentations ఇవ్వాలి. Okay, online presence. Online presence. What is the presence? PRESENCE. Presence. Because of what is the online presence? People's daily lives. Slow down. People daily lives. For example, we will take the conduct interview for 1,000 people recording. What about your online presence? How do you feel about the Facebook? How do you feel? Why using? These are the important. We will make it soon. Questionnaire on Facebook. We will make it soon. Questionnaire on it. These are the marketing survey. We will take soon. Okay. Then questionnaire on Facebook, questionnaire on Instagram, questionnaire. We will go for that colleges and universities. We can survey. They want pulse. We will learn. We want to learn their pulse from online presence in social media. We will make it soon. Okay. We will make it soon. That's the questionnaire. After that, we go to say example. We go to Vivid Mall. Then we will give the format then. Or we will create the online document questionnaire. Then we will collect from their mindset, from the online. Okay, Google Documents, Google registrations, like. Okay. Then is it clear? Online presence means what about the people's daily lives in social media? What about the people daily lives in that is called online presence. అర్థమైంది ఆన్లైన్ ప్రెసెన్స్ అంటే? ఇంకో పాయింట్, చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్. తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ సోషల్. ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ సోషల్. సోషల్ గెట్టింగ్ అని రాసుకోండి. సోషల్ గెట్టింగ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ పొటెన్షియల్ ఇష్యూస్. సోషల్ సమాజం ఏం గెట్టింగ్ చేస్తుంది? పొటెన్షియల్ ఇష్యూస్. వాట్? పొటెన్షియల్ ఇష్యూస్ ఫ్రమ్ ది సోషల్ మీడియా. సోషల్ మీడియాలోకి వెళ్ళంగానే ఏదో ఒక న్యూస్, ఏదో ఒక ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మనిషికి తెలుస్తుంది. ఫేస్బుక్కి వెళ్తే ఏదో అప్డేట్స్, ఎవరెవరో ఏదేదో పెడతారు. అది ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్ అని తెలుసుకునే లోపే ఏది పడితే చేస్తారు అనమాట. అంటే ఇక్కడ ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్, గెట్టింగ్ సోషల్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, అది ఏదైనా వచ్చు, కానీ అది రియాలిటీ ఆర్ యాక్యురేట్ అనేది మనం జస్టిఫై చేసుకోవాలి. అన్ని సోషల్ మీడియాలో ఉన్నటువంటి అన్ని విషయాలు మనం చూడకూడదు, చూడాలి, కానీ అది ఎంతవరకు నిజం అనేది. వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నాకు రియల్ టైమ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంది. ఒకసారి నేను మన ఇండియా మ్యాప్ పెట్టాను, అయితే దాంట్లో కాశ్మీర్ లేదు. కాశ్మీర్ మొత్తం డివైడ్ అయింది కదా. అప్పుడు ఒక వేరే స్టేట్ నుంచి అతను వచ్చి నాతో ఏమన్నారంటే, సార్ మీ మ్యాప్ రాంగ్ పెట్టారండి మీరు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. అది పెట్టినటువంటి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ట్రూఆ ఫాల్స్ అనేది సిటిజన్ గా మనం ఇన్ఫార్మ్డ్ సిటిజన్స్. అవతల వాళ్ళు ఫాల్స్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తున్నారా లేకపోతే ట్రూ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఫాల్ చేస్తున్నా జస్టిఫై చేసుకోవాల్సిన బాధ్యత సిటిజన్స్ కి ఉంది. ఫాల్స్ అయితే మాట్లాడాలి, జస్ట్ రైట్ అయితే అప్రిషియేట్ చేయాలి. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఇన్ఫార్మ్డ్ సిటిజన్స్. అంటే ఓకే, దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ గెట్టింగ్ సోషల్ అంటే అర్థమైందా? సోషల్ మీడియా నుంచి మనం ఎలాంటి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ గెట్ చేసుకున్నాం, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఎస్ఈఓ స్ట్రాటజీ. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ అండ్ బ్రాండింగ్. సోషల్ మీడియా వల్ల కూడా ఇంకేంటి బెనిఫిట్ మనకి? కమ్యూనికేషన్ అండ్ బ్రాండింగ్. ఈ రెండు డెవలప్ అవుతాయా లేదా? ఇప్పుడు నేనున్నాను, నా దగ్గర సోషల్ మీడియా ఉంది, సో ఫేస్బుక్ ఉంది. నా ఫేస్బుక్ లో అంతా ఐల్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్ ఉన్నారా లేదా? నేను వాళ్ళతో బ్రాండింగ్, నా మార్కెట్ గురించి బ్రాండ్ చేస్తున్నానా లేదా? బ్రాండ్ త్రూ రీల్స్, వీడియోస్, దెన్ డిఫరెంట్ ప్లేసెస్. These are the use. One thing, social media for business use, not for personal use, not for entertainment. ఎవరికి అని? ఒక బిజినెస్ మ్యాన్ బిజినెస్ పరంగా యూజ్ అవుతుంది, ఒక ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ పర్సన్ కి ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ లో సోషల్ మీడియా యూజ్ అవుతుంది, ఒక టైం పాస్ ప్లేయర్ కి టైం పాస్ యూజ్ అవుతుంది, ఒక టెర్రరిస్ట్ కి టెర్రరిస్ట్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ యూజ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే సోషల్ మీడియా ఎలా యూజ్ చేసుకుంటే ఇట్ ఇస్ ఫ్లెక్సిబుల్. అంటే ఇట్ ఇస్ ఎ ఫ్లెక్సిబుల్ టూల్ అకార్డింగ్ టు యువర్ యూసేజ్. అంటే మీరు ఉపయోగించిన విధానాన్ని బట్టి సోషల్ మీడియా అనేది ఉపయోగం. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ వే ఆఫ్ యువర్ కమ్యూనికేషన్. హౌ టు కమ్యూనికేట్ విత్ ద సోషల్ మీడియా ఫ్రెండ్స్, హౌ టు కమ్యూనికేట్ విత్ యువర్ బ్రాండింగ్, వే ఆఫ్ ప్రే ప్లానింగ్. మీకు ఒక ప్రే ప్లానింగ్ ఉంటే మీరు ప్రాపర్ గా సోషల్ మీడియాని యూజ్ చేస్తారు. ప్రాపర్ గా యూజ్ చేయడం చేత కాకపోతే ద ఫెయిల్యూర్ ఆఫ్ ది సోషల్ మీడియా. ఓకే, వెరీ సింపుల్. ఓకే, these are the important. Then important social media for business growth. Note down, social media for business growth. So these are the important aspects of the social media. Okay, the role of social media in media marketing. Okay, especially we have to focus on that media marketing. Media industry ki ఏ విధంగా social media ఉపయోగపడుతుంది అంటే this is the reason behind. These are the important topics. It will be covered closely. These are the learning outcomes. Then after we will get knowledge what we as a marketer. Is it clear?